Today we will take on the journey to floating city Crystal Island. Imagine a city, a marvel of modern engineering, born not from land, not anchored to the earth in the traditional sense, but conceived from pure human ingenuity, a testament to our boundless creativity and technological prowess. A city floating serenely on the azure waters of the Arabian Gulf, a shimmering oasis of innovation. This is Crystal Island, a beacon of progress, Qatar's breathtaking vision of tomorrow, a bold statement of intent. It stands as a testament to what we can achieve when we dare to dream big, when we push the boundaries of what's possible. Shimmering crystalline structures reflect the sun's golden rays, creating a dazzling spectacle of light and form. The light dances on the water's surface, creating an ethereal glow that bathes the entire island. Listen closely to the gentle lapping of waves against its advanced foundations, a soothing symphony of nature and technology, a perfect harmony of nature and innovation, a seamless blend of the organic and the artificial. Crystal Island truly captures the imagination, sparking a sense of wonder and possibility. It whispers of a future where magnificent cities coexist harmoniously with the ocean, where urban development embraces the natural world, where ultimate luxury meets profound responsibility, where opulence is balanced with environmental consciousness, where advanced technology serves both humanity and the planet, creating a sustainable and thriving future for all. This is not a distant science fiction tale, not a far-off dream relegated to the realm of fantasy. This is happening now, in 2025, here in Qatar, a testament to the nation's forward-thinking vision. A place where boundaries are constantly pushed, where innovation knows no limits. Join me as we journey to this extraordinary place. As we embark on an unforgettable exploration of architectural marvels, we'll explore its secrets, uncover the hidden gems within its innovative design, we'll marvel at its revolutionary design, a true masterpiece of engineering, and understand its profound purpose, its contribution to a sustainable future. Crystal Island is a story of boundless ambition, a testament to the power of human imagination, and relentless innovation, a pursuit of excellence that knows no bounds. Prepare to be amazed, prepare to be inspired, the future is floating, a new era of urban development is upon us, and it is spectacular, a breathtaking vision of what's to come. Every leap for mankind, every groundbreaking innovation begins with a dream. It starts with a spark of imagination, a vision of what could be, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Crystal Island was no different. It was born from a desire to create something extraordinary, something that would redefine urban living. Visionaries in Qatar saw a future, a horizon brimming with possibilities. They dared to imagine a world where limitations were merely stepping stones to innovation, where the scarcity of land was not a constraint, but an invitation to innovate, to think outside the box, and to challenge conventional norms. They envisioned a city that could adapt to the changing times, thrive in harmony with nature, and inspire generations to come with its ingenuity and beauty. A living masterpiece, a testament to human potential, and a beacon of sustainable urban development. The goal? A self-sustaining floating ecosystem, a harmonious blend of human innovation and natural preservation, and a global hub of luxury and technology, attracting the brightest minds and the most discerning individuals from around the world. Planners, the architects of urban landscapes, architects, the sculptors of habitable spaces, and engineers from around the world gathered, united by a common purpose, to redefine the very concept of a city and push the limits of what's achievable. They saw the vast, shimmering waters of the Arabian Gulf, not as a barrier, but as a magnificent empty canvas, waiting to be transformed. A canvas to paint a vibrant future, a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand, where human settlements float gracefully in harmony with the sea, creating a symbiotic relationship between man and nature. This was more than construction, it was a bold experiment. It was an act of creation, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collective vision. Early sketches depicted gravity-defying structures, reaching for the sky with audacious designs, flowing waterways, weaving through the city like veins, and lush green spaces flourishing amidst the ocean, bringing life and vibrancy to the heart of the city. The core philosophy, to build something utterly unique, captivating, and inspiring, a symbol of innovation and a source of pride for generations to come. Crystal Island took shape, slowly but surely. First in minds, as architects and designers brainstormed and refined their vision, then on paper, as detailed blueprints and technical drawings brought the concept to life, and finally, on water, as the first floating structures were carefully installed, marking the beginning of a new era in urban development. It's a testament to bold imagination, unwavering determination, and the power of collaboration on a global scale. The ambition behind Crystal Island was immense, a desire to create a city unlike any other, a symbol of innovation and progress. It's a new frontier for urban living, a glimpse into the future of how we might inhabit our planet, a challenge for the ages, pushing the boundaries of engineering and design, and inspiring future generations to dream bigger and reach further. And now, a reality, a testament to the power of vision and the unwavering pursuit of innovation. Imagine stepping into a realm where architectural dreams take flight. Step onto Crystal Island and look around, taking in the breathtaking scope of this futuristic landscape. The architecture is breathtaking, a symphony of design and innovation that redefines the very concept of urban living. Buildings soar skyward, inspired by nature's elegance, mimicking organic forms with sleek modern lines. Each structure seems to reach for the heavens, a testament to human ingenuity. Gleaming glass and polished steel, the hallmarks of contemporary design, shimmer in the sunlight, creating a dazzling spectacle that captivates the eye. The facades reflect the sky, blurring the lines between the man-made and the natural world, reflecting the serene waters that cradle this architectural marvel. The reflections dance and ripple, adding another layer of beauty to the scene. These are not ordinary buildings, they are statements of intent, but feats of modern engineering, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in construction and design. They are stunning and functional, blending aesthetics with practicality to create spaces that are both beautiful and livable. The central biodome, a verdant oasis, houses a thriving ecosystem, a miniature world teeming with life and vibrant greenery. Meanwhile, residential towers, elegant and modern, offer panoramic ocean views, a constant reminder of the island's unique location. Every design element is thoughtfully considered, guided by harmony, ensuring a seamless integration of form and function. Modular components, crafted with precision, were prefabricated and assembled with precision, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Smart materials, responsive and adaptable, adapt to changing environmental conditions, ensuring optimal comfort and energy efficiency. The island's buoyant platforms, a marvel of engineering, are anchored to the seabed, providing a stable foundation, ensuring stability and safety, even in the face of unpredictable weather. The layout is a cohesive community, carefully planned to foster interaction and a sense of belonging, not just a collection of buildings, but a living, breathing ecosystem of human connection. Water canals, winding through the island, serve as efficient thoroughfares, offering a unique and sustainable mode of transportation. And lush parks scattered throughout the landscape provide tranquil retreats, offering respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Pedestrian walkways, inviting and accessible, encourage exploration and discovery, inviting residents and visitors alike to wander and explore. Every corner reveals a new vista, a fresh perspective, a testament to human-centric design, where the needs and well-being of the inhabitants are paramount. Art meets science at every turn, creating a harmonious blend of creativity and innovation. Crystal Island is a living, breathing work of art, a testament to the power of human imagination. It's a place where innovation shapes daily life, offering a glimpse into the future of urban living. Beneath Crystal Island's beauty lies a world of technological marvel. This is a true smart city. AI and sensors manage complex operations seamlessly. Energy distribution and waste management are optimized for efficiency and sustainability. The city thinks and learns. Solar panels capture abundant energy, while underwater turbines convert tidal currents into clean electricity. Advanced storage ensures reliable power, day and night. Desalination plants turn seawater into fresh water, and recycling systems conserve every drop. Resource management here is responsible and innovative. High-speed networks connect the island, while autonomous electric transport glides through canals and paths. Drones assist with logistics and security. Technology isn't just for show, it enhances quality of life and ensures smooth operations. This is the future of urban infrastructure. Every system is designed for sustainability. The city adapts to its environment. Crystal Island is a model for cities of tomorrow. Here, technology and nature coexist in perfect balance. Crystal Island was conceived with deep respect for our planet. Sustainability is woven into its very fabric. Every decision, from materials to energy, follows strong ecological principles. Artificial reefs in its foundations provide habitats for marine life, helping the ocean flourish. Green spaces support local flora and fauna, aiming for a net positive impact. Waste is managed with remarkable efficiency. Zero-waste philosophy drives daily life. Recycling and composting are standard, and some waste is converted into clean energy. The goal, a circular economy where nothing is discarded. Residents embrace a sustainable lifestyle, minimizing their footprint. Smart home systems optimize energy use, and electric vehicles provide green transport. Education and community initiatives promote environmental awareness. It's a collective effort for a healthier future. Crystal Island is a promise to the environment, and a model for sustainable living. Crystal Island adds a spectacular jewel to Qatar's crown. It's transforming tourism, drawing visitors from around the globe to witness the future of urban living. The island offers unparalleled luxury and unique experiences. World-class hotels, Michelin-starred restaurants, and high-end boutiques. But it's more than opulence. It's a chance to be part of something visionary. Crystal Island complements Qatar's rich heritage, vibrant arts, and world-class sports. It enhances the country's appeal, making it a diverse and exciting destination. The economic impact is significant, creating jobs, stimulating businesses, and attracting investment. More importantly, it inspires. It showcases Qatar's ability to innovate and turn dreams into reality. The Crystal Effect is reshaping perceptions worldwide. It sets new standards for others to follow. Crystal Island is a symbol of bold vision, and a beacon for the future. The world is watching. Creating Crystal Island was a journey of complexity and innovation. Years of meticulous planning and research brought together global experts, architects, engineers, and scientists. The biggest challenge: building a stable city on water. The solution: massive, interconnected buoyant modules anchored flexibly to the seabed. This required groundbreaking marine engineering. Unique features set Crystal Island apart: underwater residences, climate-controlled biodomes, and advanced research facilities. Innovation is everywhere in every detail. Every aspect, from walkways to park benches, is thoughtfully designed. The goal: a harmonious, functional, and beautiful environment. Crystal Island is a masterpiece of modern design. It's a floating utopia realized, and a testament to human ingenuity. Imagine waking up on Crystal Island, sunlight reflecting off tranquil waters. Start your day with a stroll along a waterside promenade or a moment in a floating garden. Commute by silent, autonomous water taxi through intricate canals. Work in inspiring offices or explore vibrant cultural districts and infinity pools. Dining is a culinary adventure with fresh ingredients from local and island farms. Evenings come alive with light shows, outdoor performances, and community gatherings. Crystal Island is a thriving, vibrant community. It's a glimpse of a better way of living, where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. Cities here are dynamic ecosystems, not concrete jungles. The future is now, and it's within reach. Crystal Island is more than a destination, it's a bold experiment in future living. It challenges how and where we can live, proving sustainable communities are possible even in unlikely places. Its legacy will inspire projects worldwide, especially as coastal cities face rising sea levels. Floating architecture offers hope and solutions. Crystal Island is a symbol of human aspiration and innovation. It shows progress can be environmentally responsible. We can build advanced, harmonious cities with nature. As we look to tomorrow, Crystal Island stands as a beacon of hope and ingenuity. It's not just the future of travel, it's the future of living. The journey has just begun, and Crystal Island leads the way. Would you live in a floating city like Crystal Island? Tell us in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. See you in next adventure.